What's going on, everybody? This is Phil with Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we got an exciting one for you. We are going to be doing a stock analysis on Torchlight. Ticker symbol is TRCH. Now, this is a highly requested video. The hype is all around Torchlight, and what exactly is Torchlight? We will be getting into that in this video, and whether we think it is a good buy or not. But please remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. So please make sure you are doing your own due diligence on all of these plays and making sure you are not investing anything that you cannot afford to lose. But if you guys can, if you guys are hyped for this video, please make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really does help out the channel, and I do appreciate it. Also, if you want to join the family, we are growing every single day. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down below, so that way we can all grow together and we can all just build a better lifestyle for each other. With that being said, let's get started. So Torchlight is currently trading at $6.69 at the time I am making this video, and it is up over 233% in the past month and 90% in the past week. So what exactly is Torchlight? Torchlight Energy Resources Incorporated is an energy company which engages in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation, and development of oil and natural gas properties. It holds interest in the Oro Grande project in Hudspeth County, Texas, and the Hazel project in the Midland Basin. The company was founded October 30th, 2007, and is headquartered in Plano, Texas. So, what's all the hype around Torchlight? Torchlight is offering a special dividend for its investors. Anyone that is holding the stock on June 24th by the end of market close will receive a special dividend. Now, this is what is hyping up the stock so much, and that with retail investors and the new short squeeze, there's been a ton of short squeezes all over the place. But we're going to hop into later if this is really a short squeeze or exactly what this is, if this is just hype going into the stock, and whether we think it's a buy or not. So let's look at the chart really quick, and then we'll get more into what the company is about. So pulling up the chart here, as you can see, in the past week, like I said, it's up 95%. It looks like we are forming a bit of a cup and handle here on the weekly chart. So as you can see, that's a pretty decent sized cup, and we'll be looking for a little bit of a pullback to get that handle. So this may happen during pre-market hours tomorrow, but I am expecting a little bit of a pullback, maybe to about 650 or so, into that range, maybe a little bit lower. But I will not touch the stock until it gives me that little pullback. If it doesn't, then guess what? I will not get into it, because we're only about going to make it good plays here. So let's move on into more about the company and whether it's a good long-term hold or not, or at least in my opinion. Let's get right into that. So Torchlight is currently sitting at a valuation of about $900 million market cap, and just less than a year ago this was sitting at 25 cents a share, I think, at its lowest. And really just looking at their revenue, this is all about hype. So according to Fintel, they have a short interest of 30%. I think that is a little bit on the lower end, in my opinion. Sometimes Fintel is hard to believe sometimes, because we think they have some affiliation with hedge funds, but I won't get into that here. So the short interest, according to Fintel, is 30%. I think it is a bit higher. I think it could be around 40 to 50%, which is why the price is skyrocketing right now. But in terms of valuation, I think it is too high for the numbers that the company has been putting out as of recently. In terms of revenue, the revenue just has not been there. It's actually been going down these past couple of years. So maybe they will improve that, but at this valuation, this is not a long-term hold for me. Like I said, I will be trading based off of the fluctuations in price and about the high conviction plays. That's what we need to find. We need to find high conviction plays in order to take the play. If the trade does not set up exactly what I want, I will not get into it, because then it is just a waste of time and a waste of money for me. There are so many different plays you can get into that set up perfectly and perfectly for the way I trade. Everyone trades differently, but there's no need to waste time and waste money on trying to force something. You got to take your emotions out of it. But like I said, for this is not a long-term hold for me. I may get a lot of hate from the retail investors saying the short squeeze will happen, the short squeeze will happen. Short squeeze is happening. This is the short squeeze. We could see a little bit higher of a price. Like I said, I will trade off of the price fluctuations. It looks like they are forming a cup and handle on the weekly chart, and on the yearly chart you can tell they formed a nice cup and handle. So we could see a decent rise up from this point, but as a long-term investment, this is not one for me. But like I said, I will be trading based off of the fluctuations. And most of these plays, the ones that I am covering, the ones that are getting a lot of hype and squeezing, these are the plays that I'm just trading off of the fluctuations, just for the quick in and out trade. These are not trades you want to stay in for a long time, because that is when you will get screwed. Retail investors, they're good, and they're sticking it to the hedge funds and a lot of these different plays, but a lot of retail investors also get screwed in the process of doing this, because people hold on too long. They fall in love with the stock. They let their emotions get in the way of them making money. And for me, that is just not how we do things on this channel. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up my video here after my little rant. But if you guys did enjoy it and you found this helpful, just please make sure you smash that like button. I really do appreciate it. Also, join the family, subscribe to that channel down below. Turn your post notifications on, that way you get a notification every time I do post a video. I really do appreciate that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.